Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2023 Entegra. Now, it is on a Ford E450 chassis, and it's the Entegra Odyssey. I'm at Bankston RV in Gadsden, Alabama, and I just want to show you a couple of things on the outside. Nice flat screen TV here. We have a lot of the storage compartments throughout the running along the bottom. We'll get inside and see some of the goodness inside. So that here we have your power controls. We have 3 steps up, and we have this upper bunk as well as another flat screen TV. And as I mentioned, it was a Ford E450 chassis. So there's your driver and your passenger and your center stack. Nice dining table area. And then a fold-out couch. Plenty of storage compartments. And your slide controls. Additional storage up there. Let me just show you this, and then we'll move around to more of the goodness. So there's plenty of storage throughout this. Very nice kitchen, additional counter space, as well as more drawer space, cabinet space, 3-burner cooktop, microwave oven, very large microwave oven, nice deep cabinets here, as you can see. And then on this side, we have the refrigerator and freezer. They are wood paneled on the front. Additional cabinets there to the side. And then check this out. Nice bunk areas. You can put flat screen TV if you so desire. I guess if you have little ones and they want to play video games, don't know if that's the best thing for them, but... And then check this out. The bathroom, so you have a radius shower in the corner. Nice porcelain commode. Cabinet space above and below the sink. Nice stainless steel sink. And then we step into the master bedroom. We have the power units that pop up. Well, it's one of those things you regret pushing when you start messing with it, but on both left and right. Actually, it's a USB, so there it is. I was looking for the others that are larger controls for the residential. So nice size bed, and then we have another flat screen TV. We have a bank of drawers, which let me show you the bank of drawers. And then look at the depth of this cabinet here for hang-up clothes, additional drawer space there. And let me see if I can position myself and lift up this bed. So additional storage underneath the bed. And then back down the hallway, back to the bunks that I showed you a moment ago. And then drawer space underneath the bunk area. Very nice. Nicely appointed unit. And the slides make all the difference in the world. So something I don't get a chance to shoot very often, but wanted to take advantage of it while I could. So leave a comment, question below, and I'll catch you on the next video.